for him to send me his most precious daughter. 'Cause my heart couldn't take no more. It tried to love twice before, till I seen my black squirrel. I knew God gave me the world when he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. You encouraged me to follow my dreams, so we bought a cabin in Eastern Kentucky. The love you have for our family means everything to me. I was blessed by your hand, 'cause God had a plan when he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. When he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together.
So right now we're getting hit by that hurricane weather. It's just starting to blow in, and it's starting to pick up. I guess we're supposed to get up to 60-mile-per-hour gusts of wind, and off the Ohio River we get a lot of winds just naturally. So I'm kind of interested in what this is going to look like. Taz, no, leave it, just leave it. Come, Taz. You just want to play in the water. My goodness. Jimmy, just let him play. So, anyways, I'm going to keep an eye on this. Alright, so we're getting ready to walk out to the outdoor kitchen. It's what's left of Hurricane Helene, which is Tropical Storm Helene, which is still even here in Kentucky, Northeast Kentucky. But I got to go out, and I got a lot of this rosemary that I need to, hold on, Taz, that I need to put in a dehydrator along with these spice bush berries that I'm going to put out there. Come on, Tess. Come on. All right, let's go out we're going to go out over there. Come on, naked boy. Going to go to the outdoor kitchen. Try to keep it from getting wet. Come on. Come on. I don't want to catch you. You're naked. Come on. Let's go, naked boy. We just came in from soaking wet. He wanted to play in water, and he got all of his pajamas soaking wet. Get in here, or stay right there. Okay, so this is rosemary. So I'm going to dry this out. No, Taz. Don't try to close that door. Huh? Benny? Yeah, Benny came over here. And these are the berries from the spice bush, which I'm going to dehydrate as well. I didn't get any at all. Oh, that boy just his attention span. Let's see. You reach. I forgot about the extension cord. This one's in use. Okay, where did that come from? I guess barley or guess one of the dogs got it. You playing in the water? All right, come on, Taz. Come on. Great. Why isn't that boy listening to me? Tess, come here. Come on. That pool's already about full. It's raining a lot. Look at that. It's raining, covering the skim bucket now. Completely. I wonder if I'm going to have to pour some of that water. Alright, he slipped and fell because he was running. You're alright. Come on. Where did I put my sandals? Oh, I took them off in the house. Okay, hold on. Here I come. Man. It's getting bad out here, guys. That wind coming up off the river. These trees are all literally sideways. crazy. Oh my goodness, that tree just snapped. Right there. It was just up. I was looking at it. Man, I would have caught that on video camera. Oh man. That's going to suck because that has poison ivy all over it too. That has mature, big, giant, mature poison ivy all over that tree. See that? Man, Lord, keep us safe. Keep us safe, Lord. Keep the damage to a minimum. Hey everyone. So the hurricane blew through yesterday. Took out our internet and our phone towers. They're still out. Unfortunately, my truck battery went bad Thursday. I charged it. Figured maybe left one of the fog lights on or something like that. Drained the battery. Drove up to Chiggers, and then I couldn't get it started again. They had it jumped. So we were without internet, without phone, without a truck. So I can't get it started again. I got the charger on it, but drove the side-by-side over to Ginn's Hardware and got me a battery, so I'll be putting that in. But a few things I want to do outside of the animals is that I got let me turn this around. I have a few trees that came down, as I showed you earlier. I believe I did in the previous I think I did yesterday after the storm was over. I mean, it's still raining and everything. It's supposed to be like that for the next couple days, but the wind's over. So that's one of them. And then there's a couple other big ones. So my job right now is to get out here and feed the pigs, but this tree's kind of in the way of the road. So I figured I'd bring the tractor and kind of see if I can push this tree over. Hey Tess, no, don't do that at all. Let me get an angle on here, see if I can make this happen. Put this in low gear and hopefully I can pull this off. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Why? Why would they fall out? Hold on, Tess. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to put you guys on pause. All right. I'm really bummed up too what Popper went over. Okay, you getting out? Your foot stuck? There you go. You did a good job, bud. Push. Good job. Hold on, Tess. I got scraps. I'm putting this. How am I going to do this? Yeah, a lot of water came in here too, huh? Here, watch out. We got to get this fixed over here. Okay, guys. Let's see if I can do this. Get out of the water. Get out of the water. Get. These pigs. You guys are nauseating. You know that? Here. I am going to tell you what, Taz, stop. Don't throw rocks in here. Whoa. Oh my goodness, I tell you what. I think that's gonna be enough for those pigs. I don't need to feed them. Come on, Tess. Out you go. Gonna lift up all this. Get more gravel out here. Take off those doors, lift those doors up, bring in gravel. Well, shoot. Yeah, this is a pain. What I'm going to have to do, that side over there, I had to bring in, I think like about 20 tons of crushed limestone and fill that whole entire base, if not more. I may have had 3 loads. There were 11 tons each load. So it could have been 22 ton or 33 ton. Taz. No, get over here. Get out. Come on. Before you start climbing all over the wood and fall in there and hurt yourself. Come on. So, anyways, as you can see, I got that up, and I had it all the way up to the back of the doors. The pig's push went out. And, well, anyways, I have it on the inside, so now the doors, the pigs pushed a lot of that out and burrowed this down. Not these little pigs, but 3 huge pigs that I had that we already processed. Berkshire and Something cross. Can't remember. Taz, get over here now. I tell you about that all the time. Get here. Get over here. All right, people. I got to put my eye on him. I should have been watching him instead of talking to you guys. All right. So we're out from the back pasture with cows. Okay, stop. Test. Calm down. So I switched out the forks for the bucket. We're going to go get some rock. And yeah, we're just going to get rock and make that happen for a while. And see if we can get some more, I should say, see if we can get some rock down to the river, the switchback, for a while. If it's too muddy, well, let me show you. Kind of coming down over here. Take a look at a few things. In our our faux well house. And somehow I'm going to put that back together. Yeah. I'll put it back together. It shouldn't be too hard. Lift it up. We'll make it happen somehow. Alright guys, so we're on a rainy day. We did move some rock down on the switchback, but I can only go so many times before I make my grass just a rut, muddy mess, you know? So, anyways, here's little man. He decided to go for a little ride along the railroad tracks. Let me show you the view here. Can't really make it out too well. Wish you could, it's a beautiful view.
I can't see the top of that hill right there. But the camera makes that hill much smaller, even though I can't see the top of the hill. All right, buddy. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. What are you doing down here? Why are you following me all the way down here, huh? Why? Come on, let's go home. Come on, Benny. There's Barley. Barley, what are you doing? Come on, Barley. Let's go. Come on, Benny.
Hey, Tzedik. So I'm going to go over to the flush out the pool. I'm going to go just flush out the tank, the filtration system, and rinse it out and all that stuff, okay? So I'm going to be over here. I'm going to be over here by the pool, okay? I want you to know that. How are you going to... Your butt's all wet. Are you planning on putting that over in the water or something? Got mud all over your butt. It won't blow up. That has a hole in it, buddy. That's why it's like that. Oh my goodness. Thing is full. Full. Look at all the stuff down in the bottom. I vacuumed it before the storm came in. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at this. Okay. I got a backwash. Hold on, Tez. Stop. Tez, see how that's starting to turn all green? Let's rinse. Let's backwash in the tank. And all the algae and everything. Get out, leave it alone, Tez. Move out of here. That water's all nasty. Gotta wait until everything clears out. Tez. Yeah. So what I'll do is, once this gets clear, then I'll unplug it again and then move this to rinse and then do it again. Alright, that's pretty clear. So let's do this. So I moved it over to rinse. Watch out, move. Tez, leave it alone. So what I'll do is I'll end up, even though this is staying clean, I am going to take some of the water out of this pool. Look at all that debris down in there. My goodness. I gotta get all this stuff out of this pool. Put it down. Move. Tez, get out of there. Leave it alone. Come over here. Tez. Leave it alone. Grab your car and get away from it. You were wearing nice clothes. You was. No, go get it. Stop it. You know what you were doing, little stinker. All right, so while we were on the ATV, I went over to Gens and got a battery. And I just put it in. So I'm hoping this has two batteries. You have that one right there and that one right there. So I took this one off that's closer to the starter ignition over here. So I believe this is actually the one that went bad. All the lights, as far as the floodlights that are on here, the aftermarket lights and everything, They all go to this battery. So I'm assuming, I'm gambling that this is the bad one. So hopefully it is, because I already replaced it. So let's start her up and see. Let's see what happens. And there's the little man right there. So right now, sounds good to me. Tess, I'm getting ready to start the truck. Okay? So hold on to your britches there, little man. Why won't it start? What the heck? Alright, I gotta look to see why this thing, it was acting like it didn't have any gas. Strange. Alright, so I've owned this truck since 2019. Pretty much brand new. And apparently it doesn't start with the hood up. You got to put the hood down before it'll start up. Strange. I don't understand. I mean, when I jump started it yesterday, the hood was up. Is there a sensor to tell if you're jump starting it? If someone knows, let me know. That's kind of strange. All right, let's turn her off. Go ahead and close it. Watch your fingers. Good job. Good job. Whoa. You all right?
I was broken, but then I asked God for Him to send me His most precious daughter. 'Cause my heart couldn't take no more. It tried to love twice before, till I seen my black squirrel. I knew God gave me the world when He sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. You encouraged me to follow my dreams, so we bought a cabin in Eastern Kentucky. The love you have for our family means everything to me. I was blessed by your hand, 'cause God had a plan when He sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. when you send me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so